Hi, I am ATS, a cute and a little sarcastic application tracking system. Let's get started with the quiz. Round 1. It's an easy mode. Question number 1. I will select your application if your resume length is 3 pages? Nope, way too long. I lost interest on the first page. 2 pages? Acceptable for experienced folks, but keep it tight. 1 page? Perfect, clean, and focused. I love this. No limit? What do you think this is? An autobiography? I always prefer 1 page for freshers and experience up to 3 years. Question number 2. Which of these fonts do you use if you actually want me to read and select your resume without choking? Calibri, clean, simple, modern. I like it. Arial, classic, clear. No issues. Good choice. Comic Sans. Am I kid's birthday invite? Vardhana, solid, readable, and ATS friendly. Nice. I am built for clarity, not creativity. Question number 3. True or false? Adding photos or fancy designs to your resume will help me read it. True. Wrong. I can't read faces or pretty borders. False. Correct. I want a clean text, not a fashion show. I don't have eyes. I have a code. I am a text-based software. Question number 4. Do you use strong action verbs like developed, led, and managed so I can quickly see what you accomplished? Yes, every time. Smart. Shows me action and results. Nah, it's not needed. Wrong. Now your resume sounds like lazy and boring. I need to know what you did, not what you were. Question number 5. When sending me your resume, which file format do you use so I can actually read it without crashing? PDF. Perfect, simple. No fancy formatting. Word. Only if the job post specifically asks for it. JPEG. Seriously? PowerPoint. Are you applying or presenting? It's best for me to read all the text without breaking the formatting. Question number 6. Which of these should not be included in a resume? LinkedIn profile. Give me proof of your skills and projects. Full home address. Unnecessary. I'm not mailing you a letter. Portfolio profile. Great if you are in a design, development, or writing. Full name. Yes, I kinda need to know who you are. I don't need it to check if you are fit for the job. Question number 7. I like experience or project section in paragraphs. Too long, I'm not reading an essay. Bullet points. Perfect, quick, clear, scannable. Sentences. Okay-ish, but bullets are better. Only names and no details. Congrats, you just got rejected. I scan, I don't read. Question number 8. Which file name do I like for resume submission? Your name, job role, fresher. Perfect, clear, role specific, professional. My CV final PDF? Final. I have seen 5 more called final revised.pdf. Your name, resume, PDF. Good, simple, and identifiable. New resume 2024. New for who? It tells me nothing. Makes my scan and decision easy with clarity. Question number 9. True or false? Using tables improves my performance. True. Wrong. Most ATS systems struggle with parsing tables. False. Correct. Tables can break formatting and confuse me. I see code, not layout. Question number 10. I can scan your resume good if your font size for the resume body is 14 points. Too big. Are you yelling at me? 11 to 12 points. Perfect. Clear, readable, recruiter friendly. 10 points. Barely readable. I am squinting. 9 point. Nope, this isn't a legal disclaimer. 11 to 12 point. Readability is everything for me. Round number 2. Medium. Question number 1. If you are a fresher or someone with internships but no full-time job, which name do I prefer for first section of your resume? Objective. Okay, but kinda outdated. Not my favorite. Professional summary. Nope, you're not a pro yet. Save this for after a full-time role or two. Career objective. Correct. It tells me your direction, especially if you're just starting out with internships. Professional experience. Misleading. You don't have full-time experience yet. Don't fake. I like what defines you the best. Question number 2. For projects, I prefer these in the descriptions. Company names. Only if it was during an internship, not for personal projects. LinkedIn link. Not here. That goes in your contact section. GitHub links. Correct. Show me the code. Show me the proof. References. Nope. Keep this separate. Not needed here. I prefer those who provide proofs. Question number 3. Which platform provides candidate interview experiences along with job alerts? You know the answer. Question number 4. What is the ideal line spacing for readability in a resume? (1.0) Too cramped, I can't breathe in here. 2.0 Is this a college essay? Way too much white space. 1.5 Decent for long reads, but a bit much for a resume. 1.15 Perfect, balanced, clear, easy to scan. I need good readability to scan the resume properly. Question number 5. True or false? You can use the same resume. True. Wrong. That's like sending the same pickup line to every person on a dating app. False. Correct. Every job has different keywords, skills, and expectations. Tailor it or trash it. I am all about relevance. Round number 3. Hard. Question number 1. I will select your application if your subheading is in this format. Not required. Wrong. If I can't categorize you in 3 seconds, I move on. Certifications, hobbies, languages. Nope, that's not identity, that's filler. Who am I? Primary tech skill, soft skill. Correct. Now I know exactly what box to place you in fast. Graduation, higher secondary, school. That's your education timeline, not a subheading. I am speed and precision. I like profiles that can be judged in seconds. Question number 2. I like profiles which have skills to projects to internships matching percentage above. Not needed. Wrong. If your skills, projects and internships does not match, I am ghosting you. 70. Decent. But I need stronger proof. Don't just claim it, show it. 80. Good match. You are connecting dots and I am paying attention. 90. Correct. That's elite. That tells me you are not bluffing your tech stack. No relevance, no job. Question number 3. True or false? I like different date formats. True. Wrong. Are you trying to give me trust issues? Be consistent or be ignored. False. Correct. One clean format throughout is equal to one smooth passing for me. I need consistency. Question number 4. Which is an ideal example of quantifying impact in a resume? Not needed. Wrong. If you don't show results, you are just listing chores. Built a project. Cool story. What did it solve? What changed? Reduced server load by 35%. Correct. That's what I call results. Quantified, clear and valuable. Attended meetings. Congrats. So did half the planet. I need to know what impact you made. Question number 5. True or false? I like resumes that mirror the exact keywords and phrases from the job description. True. Correct. If you speak my language, I let you in. False. Wrong. If you freestyle too hard, I might not even recognize you. I like those who speaks like me. Question number 6. I like profiles which have resume to job match percentage greater than. What the heck is that? Wrong. If you don't know, you're already lost. 70. Decent. But I still have doubts. 80. Getting warmer. Now I'm noticing you. 90. Correct. That's the sweet spot where I stop. Because I'm not smart, I'm a machine. Question number 7. I consider your LinkedIn profile if it's. Not included in the resume. Wrong. If it's not there, how am I supposed to stalk? I mean, verify you. Hyperlinked, updated, and matches your resume. Correct. That's the chef's kiss. Private and outdated. Why even bother? Just a username like I am cool. What is this, Instagram? I need credibility. Question number 8. True or false? I don't mind weird extra spaces or random empty lines in your resume. It's totally fine, right? True. Wrong. I'm not your diary, I'm a parser and I choke on mess. False. Correct. Sloppy formatting equal to passing fails equal to rejection. Clean it up. Makes my scan and decision easy with clarity. Question number 9. What do I do if you copy paste job description keywords in white font to cheat me? Accept it. Smart hack. ATS 2010 might have worked, but ATS 2025, I flag that instantly. Score you higher because you match. Nice try, but fake relevance is equal to fake score. Flag you as keyword stuffer. Correct. I'll downrank you and might blacklist your resume. I can't detect it. I see everything, even your invisible ink. I am cheating. The robo. Nobody can cheat me. Question number 10. What best describes a truly ATS optimized resume? A colorful 2-column PDF with icons, skill graphs, and stylish fonts. Looks great. Gets shredded by ATS faster than your hopes. A3-page essay-style resume with full life story. If recruiters wanted a novel, they would be on Kindle. A1-page plain text formatted resume with standard section titles, relevant keywords, and clean bullet points. Correct. It's simple, scannable, and built to survive the ATS battlefield. A portfolio checkmate in Canva with lots of visuals. Nice for dribble, garbage for passing. Know me better, I am your partner, your life is in my hands. How many did you get them right? Comment your number.